All right, Corey, so we got an email from somebody who listens to our weekly radio program, and they asked me, do you know how to build a farm-style table? I don't know how to build a farm-style table, so I called you, and you said,
I have no idea.
But what the heck, we're weekend warriors, so we decided we're gonna get together, come up with a design and some execution plans, and today we're building a weekend warrior-style farmhouse table.
All right, Tony, so when you called me up and asked me if I've ever built a farmhouse table, I said absolutely not. I've never built a table in my life, but I'm a weekend warrior and I'm willing to do anything. So we drew up something that I think would work really well. We're gonna build this thing to be 34 by 96 inches, which is really big. So we chose to buy these pre-manufactured 6x6 newel posts that would normally be used for a stair railing system. And we're gonna use these for our legs. So it can be super sturdy and strong.
And for the rails of the frame, we just went with 2x6 2 and better dry fir. We'll plane those down and then use that as the frame, and then we'll skirt the outside of that frame with a finished grade 1x6 finger jointed and primed pine and paint that. It'll look really good.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put some cross bracing in there and some corner bracing, so it should be really stout.
Yeah, I'm excited to get started. The first thing we're gonna do is plane down those rails.
Yeah, let's go get them off the truck.
All right.
All right, Tony, so we got these all pre-cut down to the lengths that approximately what we need, so we just need to run them through the planer here. We're gonna run them through each side twice, and then we'll do the tops and bottoms, and we'll take about a 1/16 of an inch off at a time.
All right, we got all the parts and pieces for the frame cut and ready to go. We got the legs, the end rails, the side rails, the center supports, and of course the cross bracing. But we're out of time today. So when we come back, we'll be assembling the frame and taking another step further in this project.
We'll see you next time.